here we are at the Days Inn in Hershey. We got some impulse here. So pretty nice. This one has a basement. One F. Has call recognition too. As you can see, this stipulation. Oh, it's gonna fall out. So here we are at 1. Oh, 3 and switch. Why not? Phone box. That door's about to come off. Not pushing it too. It's not too bad for a Days Inn. Need a key. So I'm up to 4. It smells like chocolate out here. Older impulse. I believe now this one is here. Here it is. This one's nice. Let's go up to 4. This one's in better shape. These are rough for the shape. Buttons pressed in. See if this phone box will open. Locked. These are nice, they have the chirp. Cab view, standard cab. It looks pretty nice for a Days Inn. There's your fixtures, and that'll be it.